Hi everybody, welcome back to the Fresh Wheel Fitness YouTube channel, and if you are new then a big hello. I hope you enjoyed today's session and do remember to subscribe. That means you'll be able to find us again and do many of the other sessions here. Today we're going to focus on an absolute beginner Tai Chi session for you to get moving, to work out your major muscle groups and to introduce you to some of our Tai Chi movements. So let's get started. Standing with your feet hip width apart in a neutral stance, we're going to warm up the body using our knocking on the door. We're turning from the waist gently, swinging the arms freely, loosening and warming up the body. We're starting off with our opening stance, so arms are floating up to shoulder height, floating back down. We're adding a knee bend. Keep your posture nice and tall, you're breathing calm. Next we are opening the chest, opening the heart, arms come up, they're opening wide, and then we're pushing the hands together like we're moving the hands through water. Our next move is holding up the heavens, so we're taking the hands high. We're going to push up, stretch through the body, and then release that stretch. Adding some footwork now, so we're going to step to the side as we do our opening stance, remembering to shift the weight and keeping it central. Opening the chest, opening the heart, and we're going to sink into that horse stance. And then we're going to transfer the body weight over to a side bow stance. And then we're going to step in and repeat that. So be very mindful of your body weight transfer, of knowing where the weight is distributed between the 2 feet, and really feel like you're sinking your body weight into the floor, adding that resistance to all these arm movements too. Adding our brush knee, so as we bring the hands up, we're going to bring one hand down and push the other hand through, and we power this push by turning the waist. One more time on each side, and I really want you to feel your own flow. So really feel every single part of every single movement. Be mindful of how your body is moving and really connect mind to body. Our footwork is staying the same, but this time instead of brush knee, we're going to do white crane spreads its wings. So we want one high hand going higher and then turning the waist to bring the other hand down to the tabletop. And we're going to repeat that on each side. going to turn our feet out and introduce you to empty stance. So this is transferring the weight. You want to plant the weight on one foot, release the other foot and tap in front, keeping that front foot empty of weight. We're going to add our wild crane spreads its wings, arm movement too. So really feel that transfer of body weight, feel a solid foundation and think about your core. So engaging those core muscles for a good strong midsection. This movement is a Qigong movement called hands hold 2 feet, and it's a great one for flexibility, but obviously I'm going to show you a modification first of all, just so that you have an option there if you want to keep this movement much smaller. So we're just bending gently from the waist, adding that forward bend and then stretching through the body. And here we go with the full version. We're going to take this down into a full forward bend, touching your toes or as near as you can, and then lifting up, keeping the back straight, keeping the legs straight, stretching through the body. And balancing the chi. So a lovely arm movement. You want to feel like we're pushing our hands through water and keeping the breathing calm. So breathing in as the hands come up, breathing out as the hands go down. Finishing with pressing palms, again breathing in and breathing out. Finishing off nice and relaxed. Thanks again for joining me, and do remember to subscribe, and see you all again soon.